Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IGCSE and GCSE Maths School. This channel IGCSE and GCSE Maths School presents videos on mathematics for you to pass your examinations such as Edexcel IGCSE, Cambridge O-Level, GCSE, SAT, CAT, PSAT, NMSQT and other parallel examinations. Right now we are on a series of videos on rounding off and upper bound and lower bounds of numbers. Then we have done already one video on rounding off numbers to nearest unit, nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, nearer to 1 decimal place and to 2 decimal places, to 3 decimal places, and to such degrees of accuracy. Right now, today, last time we did another video on significant figures. Now already in the previous video, the significant figures were introduced, and we studied what we learned, what the significant figures were, and how to count the significant figures. To recap what was presented in that video, the significant figure is any digit in the number other than the preceding zero. The significant figures are counted from the left end of the number, otherwise from the beginning of the number. Right now, that is of course the basic points that we discussed in the previous video, and the link of the previous video is mentioned in the description below. Go to the video and watch that video before coming to this video. Then you will have the very basic knowledge of how to determine the degrees of accuracy there, and how to round off numbers to the such degrees of accuracies. Right now, in this video and the previous video, the what they call the significant figures were introduced, and we discussed what the significant figures were and how to count the significant figures in a number. And all those are there in that previous video, the link of which has been mentioned in the description below, and go through the link and watch that video and come to this video. Then you will have, first of all, some understanding of what significant figures are. That is what is essential to understand the contents of this video. Right now, we go to today's video. Today's video is on rounding of numbers to significant figures. Right now, we go to the examples straight away. Now, you can see there are then significant figures we discussed in the previous video, what significant figures were. And now if you take a number like say this one, now there are two zeros at the beginning. These are called preceding zeros. These preceding zeros are not significant figures. They are not significant figures. Then double here the significant which starts from this. This is the first significant figure, third significant, fourth significant, fifth significant figure. Then I told you this counting of the significant figures are counted from the left side of the number. Right. That means from this side of the number. Right. Now let's see how these numbers are rounded off to the given number of significant figures within brackets with a respective question. Right now, this one, the first example is 253. 253 is to be rounded off to 2 significant figures. 2 significant figures. Now, then significant figures are counted from this left side. Then this is the first significant figure. This is the second. Then this is the second significant figure. Then see second significant. Then you have to look at the digit in the third significant figure. That is the place just below the place of the degree of accuracy. Then that is greater than, if this is greater than 5 or equal to 5, add 1 to this one. If this is less than 5, don't add and put 0 for this one, and write the rest of the number until the the degree of accuracy. Right here, this one. Then second significant is 5. Look at this one. It is less than 5, so therefore no addition to 5, and write 250. That is the answer after writing this number correct to two significant figures, right? Now next one, second one. The second number 1358 is to be rounded off to three significant figures. Now you have to go to count three significant from this left side. Third significant figure is first one, second one, third one is 5. Then look at the size of this one. That is 8 greater than 5. Add 1 to this one and put 0 position. Write the number until from the left side until the right degree of factor. 1000, 3, then 5 becomes 6 and 8 becomes 0. This is the answer for the second one, where it is rounded off to three significant figures. Right now, the third one is 0, 0, 0, 4, 5, 0, 0, 45, 0.13. Now you have to round this off to two significant figures. Now you have to count the significant figures. Now there are two zeros. These are preceding zeros. These zeros are significant figures. Always the significant figure starts from a non-zero digit. Here the significant starts from the 0. This is the non-zero. First non-zero digit is 4. Then this is the first significant figure. This is the second significant figure. Then you have to write this correct two significant figures. Then you have to this is the second. That is the place of the degree of accuracy. That is the second significant figure. Then you have to look at the digit in the place below the place of the degree of accuracy. This is the place below the place of the degree of accuracy, that is decimal, first decimal. Then if this is greater, as this is less than 5, no addition, you write the number without any addition, right? That is the answer. Then next one, go to the fourth one. Fourth number 1132.412 to be rounded off to three significant figures. Then go to the third significant figure, 1, 2, 3. This one is the third significant figure. Then look at this one, that is less than 4. Therefore, that is less than 5. Therefore, no addition to this one. Therefore, write this number as it is. That is the answer, 1132. Right. Then these are zeros, but no need of showing those zeros because these are decimal zeros, have no value. Right. Then next one. Then 2004.33.003, that is to be written correct to significant figures. Then count the significant figures from the left side, 1, 2, 3. This is the third significant figure. Look at the fourth significant figure. It is less than 5. Therefore, no addition. Therefore, write the number until this point and put 0 for this 4. Then you write 2, 2, 2. So that is all, because these are also zeros, but no point of writing that because they have no values, because they are all trailing decimal zeros right now. Right. Then trailing zeros has been discussed in the previous video, the link of which has been mentioned in the description below. Therefore, go to that and watch that video and understand what the preceding zeros, trailing zeros, and the intervening zeros. Right. Now go to this one. Then first you have to write this number, that is 0.00463 to one significant figure. There one thing that you have to go to first significant from this side. And then there are three zeros at the in front. There are three zeros in front. There are three zeros at the three preceding zeros. Then therefore none of these zeros are significant figures, because significant figure is a non-zero value. It's a non-zero digit. It is a non-zero digit except the zeros. It is any digit which is except the preceding zeros. Then this is the first non-zero digit. When you come from the list, they have the first significant figure. Therefore, you have to write this correct to one significant figure. You have to go to the first significant figure and look at the second significant figure, that is greater than 5. Therefore, you add 1 to this one, that will be 5. Then put zeros, this. Then here it will be 0.005. Then 0.005. Then these two are zeros, but no need of showing those because they have no value as they are trailing decimals, right? Okay. Now go to the next example, that is 4,532.02. That is correct to four significant figures that has been written. So now go to the fourth significant figure from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. This is the fourth significant figure. Look at the fifth significant figure. It is less than 5. Therefore, write the answer only this part. That is 4532. That's all. Because these decimal places are zeros, but no need on showing zeros because trailing decimal zeros have no value. Right. Then write this one. Next one, eighth part. 5028.3. That is to be written correct one significant figure. Then go to the first significant figure from this side. That's 5. It's a non-zero digit. First one itself is a non-zero. Therefore, significant figure is 5. then second significant figure, third significant, fourth significant figure, but this is to be written only to one significant figure. So therefore, go to this one, look at the second significant figure, it is less than 5, therefore no addition. You write the number, write the number 5 and put zeros for all these things, then it will be 5 0 0 0 decimal, right? Because these zeros have values. These are whole digit zeros. The whole digit zeros have to be put, right? These decimal zeros, trailing decimal zeros should not be put because they have no values, right? Next one, 2 3 significant figures. Next one, 9th question, 7,895 is to be written correct to 3 significant figures. Then go to the third significant figure, counting from left side, 1 2 3, this one, right? Then this one, third significant is 9. Fourth significant, you have to get the fourth significant figure. If it is greater than 5, equal to 5, add 1 to this third significant figure. This is 5, that's equal to 5. Therefore, add 1 to this 9. It is this 10, you put 0 here. 1 is left, put it here. That is 8 plus 1, that is 9. And so an answer will be then 7 9 0 0. Right, that's all. This is the answer, 7,900, right? The 3 significant figures, right? Now, this one, the 10th one, 0.3050, correct to 2 significant figures, it has to be written. Now go to the third significant, go to the second significant figure from this side. This is not a significant figure, that is of course the preceding 0. This one is the first significant figure, this is the second significant figure, is this one. Look at the third significant figure, which is equal to 5, therefore add 1 to this one, that is 3 1, then 0 0. 3 1 0 0. Okay. Now next one. 11th, 0.004562, 2363 SF, right? Then you have to write this number 0.04562 to 3 significant figures. Then you come to this one. Then you count the significant figures. Now in this one there are 3 preceding zeros. None of these zeros are significant. The first significant figure starts with the non-zero. That is 4 here in this instance. Then the 4 is the first significant figure. This is the second significant figure. This is the third significant figure. You have to write this correct to third significant figure. Therefore, look at the digit in the fourth significant figure. If it is less than 5, you don't add anything to this one. You write the number until the degree of factor, that is third significant figure, and that's all. Then 0.00456. That is the answer for that. 456. 0.00456. Next one here. Next one, look at this one. I write this 45.25, correct to 2 significant figures. Go to the second significant, but this is the first significant. There are no preceding zeros. Therefore, the first digit itself is the significant figure. That is 4, first significant figure, second significant figure is the fifth one. 5 is the second significant figure. Then look at the third significant figure. It is 1. It is greater. It is equal to 5. Therefore, add 1 to this one. Then it will be 46. 46. Then you have to put 0 position, but that's decimal, trailing decimal 0, it has no value. It is enough, right? Just 46, right? Okay. So this is how the numbers are written correct to significant figures. How the numbers are rounded off to significant figures. So I think you have got much of this video, and I think it will be very, very helpful for it, because always in the exam you have to write answer. They ask you to write answers correct to certain significant figures. I think you have got a lot of what is needed for passing the examination. Then we in this channel IGCSE and GCSE Maths School daily post videos on mathematics for you to pass the examinations, all world recognized examinations such as SAT, PSAT, CAT, NMSQT, Cambridge O-level, the Edexcel IGCSE, and such other examinations. So therefore, stay with us. We daily post videos, and tomorrow also I am coming to your doorstep with another interesting video. Then stay with us and subscribe the channel, share, like, and comment on the videos. Okay, thank you so much. Until tomorrow, I am Saman. Until tomorrow, I say goodbye to you. Thank you.